Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at Copybee. Now this is a brand new cloud-based web application and it uses artificial intelligence guys to create marketing scripts, articles, content for your website, for your blogs, for your social media places. You can create like sales letters, ads, emails, BSL scripts, webinars, slides, and more. And you can produce 100% SEO content with this application. You can produce unlimited content, and this is a really useful tool guys when it comes to if you're not a native English speaker just like me, then a really useful tool that can really help you guys out when it comes to creating articles, emails guys, email swipes, email follow-ups, welcome emails. There's a lot of things that you can do with this application, and you can make a ton amount of money with this guys if you sell this kind of services to Fiverr. You can sell copywriting services to Fiverr and make a lot of money. All right. Now, before I'm going to show you guys the demo of this application, how this works, what are the features inside of this application, how you can easily create article or content with this application. Let me show you first my bonuses. That way, when you guys pick this up through the link down in the description of this video, which is the first link, you also get access, guys, to additional value that can really help you guys out as well. My bonus number one, guys, I'm gonna show you a step-by-step process on how to make money with Fiverr. Right, I'm gonna show you a listing process. That way, you can make $50 minimum of $50 to $100 on Fiverr on complete autopilot. Right, because it's like I said, you can make money selling this kind of service to Fiverr without you writing a single word, right? This is so powerful software, right? So that is my bonus number one. My bonus number two, guys, I'm gonna show you how to get eyeballs, clicks, and most especially sales using my YouTube ranking and optimization strategy, because you can produce content for your YouTube channel, right? So I'm gonna show you guys my YouTube ranking optimization strategy. That way, when you create content, when you guys upload videos on YouTube, then you can use this strategy, guys, and blueprint to get your videos get eyeballs and clicks, and most especially sales. And this is the exact method, guys, that I use to get my videos eyeballs each and every day. I'm not just creating content for this review video. I'm also creating video tutorial, and those content are getting like um eyeballs each and every day. And I with this method I'm able to get like a 10 to 20 subscribers on complete autopilot. So I'm going to show you that in this bonus number two right here. Bonus number three, guys, I'm going to give you access to XBid traffic white level. Now this is the software, guys, that's going to allow you guys to auto comment and auto reply messages, all right, from YouTube. All right, so that is my bonus number three. Bonus number four, guys, I'm gonna give you access to Ghost Tag White Label. This is gonna allow you guys to create your own premium stack photos business and get paid per download. All right, so that is my bonus number four. Bonus number five is I'm gonna give you access, guys, to an artificial intelligence, which is a logo creator software. Now this software is gonna create a logo using an artificial intelligence, right? And then next one, guys, is design bundle application. Now this is design bundle application, guys. I'm gonna give you access to this as well. This is so powerful application, guys, because you get different kind of application inside of one dashboard. You get access to landing page builder right here. You get access to graphic designer. You get access to logo creator. Okay, this also includes e-cover creator, something like this. You can there's also like a Mac app creator, right? So you can easily create Mac app, something like this. Scene creator, and then stack explorer, and then flexible images right here. So and then this comes with ebook creator as well, and then video to GIF creator. So you get access, guys, to, just like I said, to design bundle application. So those are the application inside of design bundle application. It's a really you know premium software guide that you can get access. Now when you take a look at the pricing of this application, this is so expensive when you guys purchase this separately, right? So this one right here, all right, and just that is included as my bonus number six right here. Bonus number seven, guys, is Omni Blaster application. With this application, you can send unlimited emails, You can also send unlimited SMS and voice campaigns. Alright, so that is my bonus number 7. Bonus number 8, guys, is App Reacher application. This is gonna allow you guys to find suitable influencers. So if you wanted to promote and offers, then this tool or this software can really help you guys out find an influencers that is suitable for your offer, right? So that is the bonus number 8. And you also get access as well, guys, to this affiliate marketing training courses and softwares right here. Business in a Box, Advanced Secrets, Unlimited Traffic, Google Ads, High Converting Pages, High Ticket Commission Masterclass, Eclipse, Boomerang Body, Aurora Pro, Atomic, Done For You, Equinox, 80 Done For You, Lead Magnets, Traffic Training, My Best Tutorial Sources, CPA $300 per day, 500 CPA dollar per day, CPA Copshop Method, 200 Cash Hack, 2K CPA Traffic Jacker, 250 Cash Magnet, the commission clicks, six-figure influx, $1 million toolbacks, overnight commissions, commission toolbacks, pure profit payday, commission profit hack, instant traffic jogger, commission magnet, and commission blueprint. And you also get access, guys, to this bonuses from the vendor as well. You get access to a video conference software. You get access to Meetup. You get access to live stream video chat. You get access to Event Time Pro online event classes ticketing system. You get access to PlayTube live streaming CMS platform, video gallery WordPress plugin, Cloud Files WordPress media library, all-in-one video script, video clipping mask for Elementor, Android video editor, WordPress video robot plugin, Ask Me Ultimate PHP question and answer social network, video streaming portal, social magics animation, animated heading add-on widget, Lutzy animated images. What else? Yeah, you'll get access to all of those bonuses as well, guys. If you guys would like to pick up Copybee through the link down in the description of this video. Alright, now let's take a look at inside, guys, what you can expect in this application. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Copybee. And just like I said, you can create different kind of content or article or scripts. You can create scripts or content for your website, for your email, for your blog, adverts, startup, social media, sales letter, e-commerce, and personal. Alright, so with website, you can create call to action copies, event copies, landing page heroes copies, meta description, micro copy, social proof, header, question generator, testimonial rewriter, and website headline, right? And then with email, you can create like email subjects, confirmation, follow-ups, thank you emails, welcome emails, sales emails. You can produce content for your blogs, conclusion, blog ideas, blog intros, blog title, bullet point, and then keyword generator is included as well. Adverts, you can create, product description, fresh topic ideas, digital ad, Facebook headline, Facebook link, Facebook listicle, Facebook primary text. So there's a lot of template that is included inside of face adverts copy right here, and then startup right here, guys. There's like stand and product brand names. If you wanted to produce brand names, this tool can really help you guys out. Brand slogans, startup ideas, viral ideas, grow ideas, social media content, carousel posts, crazy YouTube ideas, hashtag generator, Instagram captions, short text hook related. There's a lot of things, guys, and it's a really useful tool to write a sales letter, YouTube intro, description, YouTube video title, sales copy, right? So yeah, and if you guys wanted to create a copy, just click on create copy right here, or just choose a template right here that you wanted to generate a copy, right? So I'm just create a copy, write in like a title right here, description, and then choose a tone right here, and click on create copy, and it will automatically generate that copy, and you can download that on your computer, right? Alright, guys, so those are the things that you can expect inside of Copybee. Now, if you guys would like to pick it up using the link down in the description of this video, which is the first link, when you guys click that link, this will take you to sales page that looks something like this. Alright, so the headline says smart AI technology automatically creates marketing scripts with just a keyword in 60 seconds or less. Now, when you guys try to exit this page, there will be a $4 discount, and this is only like $17. And if you get access to that $4 discount, you can get access to this for $14 only, and you are protected by 365 days money back guarantee. Now, if you don't like the product, you can always refund your money and still be able to get access to all of my bonuses completely free of charge. Now, this document, guys, is waiting for you inside of your Warrior Plus account, and you get instant access after your purchase of Copybee. Alright, just watch this video right here. Just read the information of the sales page. And just like I said, guys, you can rate like an unlimited content right here, guys, in different kind of languages. Alright, and read the information of the sales page. That way, you can have an informed decision if this is something that can really help you guys out, right? And yeah, it's a really lengthy sales page. You can do this in your own time. And if you have any questions about this, guys, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have. And thank you so much for watching this review, and I hope to see you guys in my next review video. Bye.